Because it was me.
Yeah.
See? Oh, ass faces.
You're so close to the fucking.
You're like back up. Like, I'm not trying to smell your.
I think it's. Can we move? Okay, I swear we're not on drugs, I promise.
Anti-alien promise.
You subscribe, I appreciate it.
My desk. I just crushed my.
What's happening to me?
Funny.
I got sold fake wax. I'm turning on my camera. I'm turning on my camera for the remainder of this. We're not even open. Oh, this thing.
So they're not.
He doesn't know the
Cocaine!
Oh.
Oh god. Can we
Like
just
Everyone's done
So
their I think keep it at 9.
I don't know what's going. You got $20 I just got? That's going straight. I'm kidding. Thank you. So, Graham, I want you. No. Bitch.
You know what clip you're talking about?
Posted well.
Dude, good job. It did not make a difference. Script or whatever. Hold on.
It's like when
that's what.
it's broken and
Like that. Yeah.
grinding. You're like a kid of 900 and I fucking hate this guy. God.
He doesn't know.
God. Wait, which one? But I feel guy's a cop.
This is him. It's like.
What did you?
He definitely knew what you were fucking talking about. Because I got
you go through.
in his bag, and we just.
Oh my god.
And he just 40.
Yeah, I will.
I just kept. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's these things called. There were no.
Anyway.
I want to try to be.
Shut up. Enjoy.
If I.
You can
You're like the fucking out. We're not. No.
You know what those are?
Oh my god. No! Stop to rob me to the group chat.
Thanks, man.
If you can.
I saw that. It's so wet.